pen. Oh, girly. Lots of pink. Even the floor is pink. You guys can I'll give you a little help advice. You can stop guessing Gura because Gura didn't send anything. Okay, it's not. There's no Gura bad contents. I'm sorry to disappoint you. This is a spray. I will not say what spray it is yet. Peeking out of a makeup bag from Rirakuma. Kawaii mofu mofu no makeup bag. It's a little face towel. Face towel. A small towel for your face. If you're sweating in your face, a small towel. A pen. And more Rirakuma related stuff. Oh, that's like a folder, clear folder kind of thing. Oh, you have some. These I've only ever seen it before in Japan, so I guess we can lock in that it's someone in Japan. So a lot of you guys are saying Iris. Well, it's Marin senpai. Marin senpai, so girly. What? So much pink. I mean, I guess I wouldn't say Marin is not girly, but I didn't expect this girly. So pink. そう、なんかめっちゃ最初分かった人がおったんだけど日本語でなんで分かったなんですぐ分かった最初cause she likes Rirakuma. Well, don't we all love Rirakuma? I love Rirakuma. Where are the voice of the doujin? She wouldn't bring that with her outside, would she? ペンはちょっと普通に見えるんですけどこれもRirakuma? It's kind of, blurred, so it's hard to see, but... Okay. Next